I don't answer questions on Quora anymore, but I'm going to answer this one because I legitimately have the answer. It's about Quora. The question is, how do I add an image to a question on Quora? Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to ask a question. How do I add an image to a Quora question? Add new question. How do I add my image to my Quora question? I'm going to add the question, and I'm going to accept the updates. And says we found a similar question. I'm going to add new question anyway. How do I add my image to my Quora question? Add new question. And I'm not going to ask anybody this question. Google Assistant wants to help. I'm going to say skip. Now I'm going to come back. I'm going to edit the question. I'm going to say see comment. Hit save. Now right there, add a comment. I'm going to add a comment. This is the image I am referring to. Now I'm going to go get the image, and I'm on a Mac. And let's get this image right here. I'm going to right click on the image. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to go back to Quora and paste. And hit add. That is the best way that I know of to add an image to your Quora question.